What's up, everyone? This is going to be a room tour video. If you guys are new, subscribe and click that bell icon to turn on notifications. If you could also leave a like, that would be great. Now we're going to start off the room before entering. That right there is the coax cable running to my internet. I got a pad over it and it's secured down to the floor so I don't trip on it. But I don't have enough cable to run it along that back wall. You'll see why here in a second. I've got my monitor mounts. I've got 4 monitors there. It sounds a bit excessive, but the computer can handle it. Got a printer there. Got a shop light here. I don't use it very often. It's an LED shop light. Here is a craft that my daughter made at school, her kindergarten year. I've got all the cables running through. Got the power strips on the side of there. USB hub got here for the PC. My camera here. This is the micro USB cable for the controller, because I'll connect my PS4 controller up. Elgato HD60 under there, and then I've got a splitter under there. I'll be making another video on all of the equipment that I use and recommended equipment that you'll need for streaming on PS3 and stuff like that. That is my wife's chair there. Up here I have a whiteboard, so if my wife wants to come in and be funny, it's like that, and she'll write stuff on the whiteboard as soon as I walk out of the room. I see it. She knows I see it. Got the soundproofing right there. I've got to add more to it. It's not working right now because there's not much. You guys can probably hear a bit of an echo in the room. Got the Jaeger sign, Jaeger machine. I only keep Jaeger in there, Jaeger and Red Bull. Got a wall mount, TV wall mount, which is for this TV here. I plan on replacing that with a gaming monitor, because TV refresh rates is like 30 milliseconds or something like that. It's really high. Game Informer issue from GameStop. I've got all my games down there, a bunch of junk. More cable clutter. I've got my my tablets all set up on the charger dock. As you can see, with this light on, this is charging. Tablet, my daughter uses that. I had that right the first time. Yeah, there's a charger over there. Here's the charger for that. The double XP for Black Ops 4. Astro A40 mix amp. Bunch more clutter. Controller, keys. My wife's laptop, because she'll come in here and get on the laptop and sit over here on this side. Got my gaming chair. I got that off of Amazon. It's lasted me quite a while, a couple of years at least. It's more soundproofing. I do plan on adding soundproofing to this whole wall in this corner, or at least before the corner. I probably want to get green soundproofing too, because I'm thinking about just green screening this whole room, setting up multiple cameras in here to see everything. That way I can get up and just walk around and you guys can see all of that. Be right back screen. That's what it'll be. got the computer down there. In between the two, I've got, which is kind of thrown on there, my internet, my router, modem router combo. I've got all of my accessories there, more pins, more cables, my Blue Yeti mic, say mouse and keyboard, mouse pad runs all the way across there. 4 monitors, I've got Streamlabs OBS there up. I don't plan on streaming today. It's Wednesday. It's an off day. That is the Logitech preferred streaming webcam. It works great. That is Mr. Ignat playing Red Dead Redemption 2. Shout out to him. He is and always will be in the description. Got my Astro A40 headset. That is my wireless charger for my phone. I got a newer phone that takes a Type-C charger, so that is actually a blessing having that, because I'm not going to buy a bunch of Type-C cables when your PlayStation 4 cables take micro USB. The Astro A40 mix amp, I think, takes micro USB. The Elgato takes Type-C, and that's one of the first things. The Blue Yeti mic takes the old-fashioned one before Type-C. The ones like the PlayStation 3 took. And speaking of that, the remote for the TV. Again, my wife's laptop. Under here, I've got a stool and my PlayStation 4, the God of War, PlayStation 4, and the PS3. If it'll brighten up. Standing next to each other, I've got the Astro A40's mix amp plugged into that. I've got 2 PS3 controllers. One of them, it's got the wrapped cable around it. The other one's pink. That one works best. Down there, I've got another router. So that way I've got one cable running over to the PlayStations. Both of them hooked up into the router. That might be some of my issues with NAT type. That is the charger dock for the PS4. There's another micro USB cable down there to plug into that. And I think that is it. If there's anything in here that you guys want for your setup, there's links to Amazon in the description for each one of the pieces, except each one of the gaming pieces, put it that way. If you guys want any other pieces added to it, like the monitor mounts, the charge dock, wireless charger, anything, just let me know and I'll give you a link in the comment. But that is going to be it for this video. Thank you everybody for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and turn on the bell or turn on the notifications if you guys want to be notified of future videos and of live streams. I will see you guys later.